Welcome back, everyone. All right, so let's go ahead and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually delete everything up to about here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to delete everything. We have the acanvas.get document.get element ID, and then we also have the acanvas.get context. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle, and this is really important because in the next tutorial. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a scale of vector graphics, and we're going to talk a little bit about the difference too. So in order to draw a circle, we already have what we need. We have the canvas that we're going to do, and we also have the context that we're going to draw it in, which is 2D at this point. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do is you need to type in begin path, and then you just type into brackets like this, and of course the output you see nothing there. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one here. We're going to go to we're going to put context dot arc, and this takes in five different parameters. The first one's the x, so I'm just going to go 10, the y, 10 as well. The next one's going to be the radius. I'll make sure it's 20, and then we're going to go ahead and it says the start. I'm going to make it 0, and the next is 2, and then what we need to do is we need, if you remember back to math class, is you need to go math.pi, just like this. Okay, of course we need a semicolon at the end of this, and there we go. The last thing we need to do is we need to go to context.stroke. Okay, and we're just going to go ahead and push stroke to these, and there we go. You can see that we have this up here. Now let's go ahead and let's change this to about 100, and then we're going to go change this to about 100 here. It's getting cut off, as you can see, and you can go ahead and you can play around with this if you want to. You can see you can give it 100 here, and it is getting cut off a little bit, and that's just because of the rendering within JSBin. And then you can go ahead and you can see, you can give it 20 or 200, etc. And then we'll give that 0, and then we can go 1 times pi, 3 times pi. That doesn't make any sense. 2 times pi is there, and if you go, let's say 1.5 times pi, you can give 1 times pi obviously gives you half, 0.5, 0.3, and if you're really into math, you can go ahead and do all this stuff here. But we'll just go 2 times pi here, okay? And so that's how you draw a circle. Now, this is the canvas. The next, we're going to talk about scale of vector graphics. I just wanted to show you how to draw a circle within the canvas, because you can do this. You can also draw lines. You can draw rectangles, etc. You can draw a whole bunch of stuff. And one of the things that HTML5 is going to do is going to be able for you to draw stuff on the fly, which is actually quite neat. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.